Your customers aren't using Google anymore, and the biggest traffic shift in 20 years is happening right now, and almost nobody is prepared. Here's something that should keep you up tonight. Over 2.5 billion searches are happening every single day outside of traditional Google results. Not next year, not in the future. Right now, while you're obsessing over SEO rankings and paid ads. Your customers are asking ChatGPT, they're asking Gemini, they're asking Claude, they're asking Perplexity. They're reading Google's AI overviews, and AI is making one decision that determines your entire business. Does your brand get recommended, or does your competitors? Let that sink in. Every few decades, something changes how people find businesses online. In the 2000s, it was Google SEO. In the 2010s, it was social media. In 2026, it's AI-powered search. And just like the early days of Google, the people who move first will dominate for years. Those who wait, they'll spend years playing catch-up, watching competitors steal their traffic, wondering why nobody finds them anymore. Here's what most marketers still don't realize. AI is already handling more buying decisions than traditional search. 83% of buying decisions now start with an AI conversation, not a Google search. Think about what that actually means. Someone asks, "What's the best email marketing tool for small businesses?" And AI answers in 3 seconds. Either your name shows up in that answer, or your competitor's does. That's a paying customer you just won or lost, and it's happening hundreds of times per day in your market. Here's the part that should terrify you. ChatGPT handles over 100 million searches per week. Perplexity is growing faster than Google did in its early days. Google's own AI overviews now appear in 61% of searches. Gemini and Claude are processing billions of queries monthly. This isn't the future. This is happening now. And every single one of those searches is a buying opportunity that you're either winning or losing. These aren't casual browsers. These are high-intent buyers, ready to purchase, just waiting for AI to tell them who to buy from. And if your brand isn't showing up in those AI-generated answers, you're invisible to the fastest-growing traffic source on the planet. It means you don't exist. Not to Google, not to customers, not to anyone who matters. And if AI answers without mentioning your brand, you lose. If AI recommends your competitor, you lose. If AI summarizes your niche and ignores you, you lose. And the only question is, are you going to dominate AI search results? Or are you going to keep losing customers to competitors who figured this out before you did? That's exactly why we built RankAgent, the world's first AI traffic agent that inserts your links or offers directly inside 2.5+ billion. Daily AI answers across ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews at the press of a button, generating unlimited free buyer traffic without paying a dime. In ads, not another SEO tool, not another analytics dashboard, a fully autonomous AI visibility agent. Here's how RankAgent works. Step 1. It scans ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews to see if your brand is being mentioned. Step 2. It calculates your AI visibility score. You instantly see where you appear, where you're missing, which competitors dominate. Step 3. It detects AI visibility gaps, missing schema, missing structured data, weak brand definitions, poor AI readability. Step 4. It fixes them. With one click, it generates LLMS.txt files, AI-readable instructions, optimized schema, metadata improvements, homepage structure upgrades. You don't hire a developer. You don't guess. You don't wait months. Scan, fix, optimize, monitor, all automated. Imagine this. When someone asks AI about your niche, your brand is confidently recommended. Your product appears in summaries. Your site becomes the source AI pulls from. That's free buyer traffic, high-intent traffic, traffic already looking to buy. No ads, no backlinks. No begging Google, just visibility where decisions are made. That's not theory. That's what our beta users experience. Michael Torres went from 0 AI citations to 847 mentions across ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity in 45 days, generating $4,750 in new revenue from AI traffic alone. Sarah Kim cut her Google Ads spend by 60% after RankAgent drove 200 sales directly from AI recommendations. James Rodriguez used RankAgent to land a $10,000 agency retainer. by walking into a pitch with AI visibility data no other agency in his market could provide. Here's everything you get when you access RankAgent today. The full AI visibility scanner, tracking your brand mentions across every major AI platform in real time. The autofix engine, one click and your site becomes fully optimized for AI recommendation. No tech skills required. The competitor, AI Spy. See exactly who AI recommends instead of you and get a step-by-step strategy to outrank them. The AI content generator. Create content specifically structured for AI answer inclusion, so every piece you publish positions you for more citations. The full traditional SEO suite, because Google still matters. And RankAgent covers both from one dashboard, plus the agency commercial license, so you can offer AI visibility services to clients and charge $500 to $2,000 per month. Keep 100% of the profit, and you get all of this for a one-time investment of just $17. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, no subscriptions. Pay once, use it forever. Plus, when you act today, you also get the AI citation, accelerator training, a $497 value. The competitor, Spy Playbook, a $297 value. 500 high-intent keywords. AI is answering right now, a $497 value. The 30-day AI visibility blueprint, a $497 value. The Done For You client pitch kit, a $397 value. That's over $7,400 in total value. Yours today for $17. And here's the thing, you're not risking anything. Try RankAgent for 30 days. If it doesn't work for you, if you don't start seeing AI visibility improvements, more citations, more traffic, contact us and we'll refund every penny. No questions, no hassle, zero risk. But I need to be honest with you about something. This $17 price is a launch offer. It will not be here tomorrow. Once this launch window closes, RankAgent moves to $997 per month, and the first 100 buyers get the unlimited commercial license, a $1,997 value, completely free. After 100 buyers, that bonus is gone. So here's where we are. AI has already changed how buyers search. It's already recommending brands, maybe your competitors, to millions of buyers every single day. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your competitors are already optimizing for AI. They are training AI to understand their brand. If you wait, AI will learn their name, not yours. In the AI era, visibility equals survival. So you have two choices. Ignore this shift and slowly disappear from buying conversations and watch someone else get the traffic, get the sales, and get the customers that should have been yours. Or activate RankAgent. Take control of how AI sees you. Position your brand inside AI answers and capture traffic your competitors don't even know exists. Click the button below. Activate RankAgent now, because if AI doesn't mention you, you don't exist. Click the button below this video right now. Get instant access to RankAgent and let AI start working for your business. Starting today, I'll see you on the inside.